Well, the hopefully not long awaited part 2 of The Dragon has arrived. And if you made it past the first part, give yourself a pat on the back, because that was the hard part, and the rest is smooth sailing. Alright, without further ado, here's how to fold it. Alright, so now that we've started the back horns, we can start finishing them and start the front horns. So, okay, what we're going to do is valley fold along here, just as we did before, and then make a crease from this edge to this crease, and let this flap swing out. And take this point and fold it to this point, just up to this crease is fine. And let's take this edge and fold it to this edge. Well, make the edges touch. And flatten. Alright, now unfold that. And let's open this on this side, actually. Now let's make a mountain fold along all these creases. And a valley fold along here. Alright. Now, actually, let's just make this flat and collapse that. It won't collapse all the way, so we'll have to do the other side. Alright. Now let's push this in, maybe? Yeah. And fold these in like that. And now we've finished the back ones, we've started the front ones. Now we're going to start making the head. So let's unfold this one and mountain fold this. And same over here, unfold these two, mountain fold this one. Now we're going to make a square base with this square. So, do this. And then we have this. Alright, now we're going to work on the head. So let's reverse fold. Okay, so let's open this up. And let's refold along these creases. But we'll be making a new crease on this side. So that's good. And then mountain fold these. Alright. Now open this up. Let's mountain fold these in. So this should be a valley fold. And let's push this out. We're making kind of a petal base at the top. Oh, sorry, bird base. Right. Let's fold a crease in between here and here to make life easy for us. And same over here. Okay, now let's make a fold right in here. And let's refold this. This part's probably the hardest part, in my opinion. Alright. So we should have that. There we go. Now I can flatten it down. Finally. So it should look like that inside. Actually, 1 minute. Forgot a part. Mountain fold. out and fold these. There we go. Just the other side was kind of messy, that's all. Alright, now take this edge and fold to this crease. Okay, and take this edge and fold to this crease. Okay, now let's open and squash. And let's take and, oh yeah, flip the flap and open and squash this side. Now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Same over here. And then let's petal fold this up. And keep this flap down. And now let's do the same thing over here. Alright, now flip the flap once more. And we have this. So yeah, this is our dragon base. Alright, so I'll have this beside me, and I'll just shape as I go. So, first step is to fold these flaps down so it looks, okay, I think so it looks something like that. Yeah, that's right. And now, obviously, of course, we should fold in half so it's not like a roadkill dragon. Okay, so let's make the wings first. So let's take this flap, make sure it's not this one, open it and squash it evenly. You might want to do it on this side. And actually, so now let's kind of do a swivel fold. So you want to fold kind of diagonally on here, and then you have this little pocket, and you can squash it like that. Okay, now turn over and do the same thing. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna make this nicer. Alright, now let's make the legs. So let's fold this over here, same with here, and unfold this, and let's reverse fold it. Now that we've reverse folded it, you want to open this and stick this flap in this pocket so it stays nice and secure. There we go. Now do the same on this side. Okay, there. Now let's work on the head. So open this flap and just crimp it down like so. You want to do a very tiny crimp, which is quite hard to do. Alright, there we go. Now let's fold this into thirds, so you don't have to be precise. So just fold this up here and fold up again, and you have that. Okay, now let's make the horn. So take this and do the step that's the most important in shaping, pinch and curl. So pinch it and curl it up, and same with this one, and do the same with these ones too. Alright, so now we should have that. Alright, now let's do some more detailed parts, the eyes. So we have this flap, we open the pocket and squash down, and then let's do the same over here. Let's open this pocket, hopefully this one's easier. It is, thank goodness, and squash down. And let's just fold it up like that. and that's could be the eye. So now let's keep this back down. Let's reverse fold the tail. Let's open it up and reverse fold it out. Alright. There we go. This mouth does not want to stay. Okay. There. And now let's put a crook in the beak. You always gotta do that. Or maybe not. I don't know. Whatever you want, really. Okay. Let's make these a little nicer. Okay. Looks a little atrocious right now, but I hope I'll make it better. So, let's fold these flaps inwards because they kind of don't look that great. And let's fold these flaps in too. And there we are. Okay. Yeah, it's this. Which flap is it? So many flaps. It's this flap. Fold it in. Alright. So, I'm just gonna try making everything nicer. Believe me, it was nicer. I'm just not doing a good job right now. This is what it looks like when you do a good job. It's harder for me right now. I don't know why. Okay. Just curl it. Maybe take the crook out of the beak. That kind of looks not that good. Okay. Well, there it is. I hope you were able to fold it a little better than me. And stick around for more videos and have fun folding.